Do you remember these? The tiny, colorful beads that magically swelled into squishy, satisfying balls when you put them in water. As kids, we thought it was just a toy, a simple piece of magic in a bowl. But what if I told you that the science behind this simple jelly is helping solve some of the biggest problems on our planet? What if this magic could help grow more food during a drought, protect our crops from pests more safely, and even make our food last longer? This isn't magic. It's a revolutionary material called a hydrogel. And the story of how it's changing our world is more incredible than you can imagine. Our world runs on agriculture, but our farms are thirsty. Unmanaged pests, weeds, and diseases can destroy over 40% of our potential food production every year. To fight this, we rely on two critical resources, water and pesticides. But both are under pressure. Agriculture consumes a massive portion of our fresh water, and with unpredictable weather, every drop is precious. This is where our magic jelly comes back into the story. A hydrogel is a superabsorbent polymer. Think of it as a microscopic super sponge. Some eco-friendly hydrogels made from agricultural waste, like rice straw and tamarind seeds, have an exceptional swelling capacity of over 7,000%. They can absorb and hold hundreds or even thousands of times their own weight in water. When you mix these tiny hydrogel particles into soil, they act like millions of personal water tanks for each plant. They catch and store rainwater and irrigation that would normally be lost to evaporation or drainage. Then, as the soil dries, the hydrogel slowly releases that water directly to the plant's roots, right where it's needed. This simple idea leads to incredible, measurable results. Studies have shown that using hydrogels can increase soybean yields by up to 10.5% and wheat yields by up to 9.5%, all while improving water productivity. But they do more than just hold water. They can also act as controlled-release fertilizers. For example, a chitosan-based hydrogel can absorb 30% of its weight in urea and release nearly 80% of it slowly over a period of 50 days. This means less fertilizer is wasted and the plant gets a steady supply of nutrients for a much longer time. Water and nutrients are one thing, but what about protecting our crops? Over-reliance on chemical pesticides has led to resistant pests and environmental concerns. Once again, hydrogels offer a smarter solution. Instead of spraying large amounts of chemicals that wash away, scientists are encapsulating them inside hydrogels. A biodegradable hydrogel made from natural aloe vera can be used to encapsulate the pesticide dichlorvos for a prolonged, controlled release. Another advanced system uses a nanogel made from chitosan and guar gum. This system has a high encapsulation efficiency of 85% and a pesticide release rate that is 15 to 25% slower compared to conventional formulas. This means the plant stays protected for longer, using less pesticide overall, which is a win for the farmer and a win for the environment. Okay, so hydrogels can water our plants and protect them. That's already revolutionary. But this is where the story goes from science to science fiction. The same hydrogel technology is completely transforming livestock management and the food we eat. For example, 1. Animal smart pills. Scientists have developed ingestible magnetic capsules, or smart pills, inspired by a camel's hump. A farmer can use a magnet to guide this pill to the right spot inside a cow's stomach, and then use a gentle beam of light to trigger the hydrogel inside to release nutrients on demand. It's precision nutrition, controlled from outside the animal. 2. Advanced wound healing. Natural plant-based hydrogels are being used to heal wounds in livestock. They can deliver medicine directly to an injury and provide a sustained release for up to 77 hours, all while being completely biocompatible. 3. Lab-grown meat. The future of sustainable protein might be grown in a lab, and hydrogels are a key ingredient. They are used as a 3D scaffold for animal cells to grow on, helping to create cultured meat that has the texture and structure of the real thing. And 4. Smart food packaging. This is incredible. Hydrogel-based intelligent labels are being placed on food packages. They can detect spoilage and change color from green to red to give you a clear, visual signal when your food is no longer fresh. In one study, this technology extended the effective shelf life of lamb from just 6 days to 16 days. So, that simple magic jelly from our childhood is actually a platform for incredible innovation. It's helping us build a more sustainable future by saving water, making our farming more efficient, protecting our crops with less waste, improving the health of our livestock, and keeping our food safer for longer. It's a powerful reminder that sometimes the biggest solutions to our biggest problems can come from the smallest, most unexpected places. The science is no longer a question of if, but how fast we can bring these incredible ideas to farms all around the world. What do you think is the most amazing use for hydrogels? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.